Hey budget besties, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is CS Budgets and my name is Candace. We do all things low income budgeting, cash stuffing, and savings challenges. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications each time I post a new video. Okay, so today we are going to be stuffing our sinking funds and doing our savings challenges. So I'm going to go ahead and scoot this over here. Have my little notepad or note here, okay, so that I can remember what I'm stuffing and how much it is. Okay, so I don't know if anyone saw my my shorts where I switched and showed my new envelopes that I created. So yeah, it looks a whole lot better. I love the other envelopes. They were so cute, nice and soft, but the flap and everything was just kind of like getting in my way, and I like to do this pretty quickly. So yes, so that's the reason why I switched them out. Okay, so first off, we are going to be stuffing 150, and I did not do this on camera, but let's go ahead and just count this just for video's sake, sanity purposes. Make sure we have the right amount. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 5, 90, 500, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 46, 40, wait. 40, a minute, sorry, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we have $150 that we are going to be stuffing on today, which I'm really excited about. Usually we stuff either 50 or 75, so this is really great. All right. So how is everyone doing? How's everyone week going? How's everyone doing with like saving? I know sometimes, especially with everything going up, I'm like watching the news constantly because I am in the financial industry. So I work for a financial institution and we process loans, and I'm in the lending department. And we do, you know, we're constantly increasing rates, and notice that on the news, Fed is increasing rates as well. So everything is starting to get expensive. So it's best to have that savings and keep building on it so that you're able to, you know, to live comfortably. All right. Let's get into the stuffing. So I have my OPU. So this was actually, which envelope was this? I think this one was gas. Yeah, this was my gas envelope, so I changed it to OPU. OPU is just like, you know, for if I need to pull anything out, if something comes up. So I'm just like, OPU, I need money for this. So that's basically what OPU is. I know it's so funny saying it, but today OPU is getting $20, so I'm actually going to just use this $20 bill here. I'm going to add that in here. I also have my little tracker here in the back. It's so thick. So this is new as well. So add that there. This I got off of Amazon. I really, really love it. It's thick. It's cardstock. I love it so, so much. Okay, so let me get my marker here. All right. So we just had $20. So now we have $20.45. So we have $45. We added 20. Yay! See, I said put gas on there. I need to change that. That's not gas. It's OPU. All right. This is probably going to drive me crazy, you guys. So, there we go. Probably should put that in first, and then the cash, and then zip. All right. Fun. Fun is going to be getting 15. So we're going to do a 10 and a 5. And we're going to get the cash out first so we can count it first. And then we're going to have our tracker come out second. All right. So Fun has now has 20, 40, 50, 65. So we added 15, we have 65. I'll put the dates in later, but at least I have the amounts on there. So let's go ahead and put that in here. Then let's put the cash second. I'm really trying to like figure out like how in the world do most YouTubers like do this so fast. I guess after so many videos, you just kind of get in the habit. Okay, so self-care is getting $20. So I'm actually going to do a 10 and 2 5s for self-care. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and add it in here for time's sake. Actually, I'll add it later. We'll go ahead and count it. So we have 20, 30, 5, 40. So we have $40 now in self-care. We'll just add that later. Holidays is going to have $20. So we'll do 2 10s for this one. So now we have, now we have a 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so we're $50 there in holidays. Okay, this is new. Well, it's not new, it's new to you guys. But I am going to be starting a savings challenge, a 24 envelope savings challenge here. And we'll stuff this in a moment. We'll come back to this. But I got this from Budget with Cats. I'll link her Etsy shop below. But it's a mini savings challenge that you can start. Guys, I really need a new color printer. I thought that this was a good way to start slowly introducing savings challenges on my channel, and use this small one for this 24 envelopes. Just use this small one and start this one off first so that I go ahead and save for a color printer and you guys can actually see me do it. So we're going to start with this mini savings challenge, but I'm going to come back to this because I have 2 envelopes that I need to stuff that's not in my own personal sinking funds. So I'm gonna put this one to the side and I'm gonna grab this pink binder here. So this binder here is actually the household binder that me and my mom both share. Yeah, we both share this, and this is anything geared towards the house, anything that we need. So I stuff in this one as well. This one's my personal, this one is the household binder. So we're actually going to be stuffing Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'm going to be stuffing Thanksgiving, and I'm going to stuff $10. So I'll just use 2 5s for this one. Okay. And the other ones I'll stuff on camera as time goes on. But for right now, these are the 2 that I'm actually going to do on camera. So we added 10, so we have a 20, 40, 50, 5, 60. So we have $60 in Thanksgiving. I'll add the tracker later. And then I also need to add money to car maintenance. Car maintenance is also a household envelope because I need to get an oil change, and that is coming up really soon. So I'm going to add $10 to oil change. I mean to car maintenance, not oil change. I need an oil change. Okay, so right now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100. So it's really good because I don't think I'm going to the dealership. I think I'll probably just go to Jiffy Lube, somewhere like that here at home. So yeah. Okay, so let's go back. Put that there. Let's go back to the savings challenge that we have. And we'll pull this out. So the envelopes we are going to be coloring in is 24, 23, 3, and 5. So that should make 50. Okay. So let's see, which one am I going to use? I think I'm going to do a silver. I'm going to do this pink. I might do a brown one. Should I do a brown one? I don't know. This isn't brown. This is more like a cranberry color. And then this blue probably not even going to show up, but whatever. We'll just go ahead and do that. Okay, so we should have $50 left over. Okay. So let's see, 10 should be all of this. Yeah, should be all of this. Let's see if this is correct. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Ah. Is it 55? Oh, that's right. We stuffed 95 in the sinking funds. So yes, that's correct. So it's actually 55. Okay, so let's do this again. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay. So we're actually doing 55 to this mini savings challenge. Okay. So we're coloring in 3. I'm actually just going to do the heart. I'm not going to do the whole thing. And again, this is this savings challenge is from Budget with Cats, and I'll go ahead and link her Etsy shop in the link below. So it's 3, we'll color in 5, 24, and then 23. Ooh, yeah, that's really light. I knew it. That's okay. All right, so we'll go ahead and put all of this together and put in an envelope. So yeah, I'm going to be using this for my color printer. And then I'm going to incorporate another savings challenge because I really need a Cricut machine, a bigger one. I have the small one, I need a bigger one. And I also need a individual camera and not use my phone for recording. So that's coming up. So yeah. All right, so if you like this video, definitely get a thumbs up and comment below. Give me a green heart emoji and let me know if you like this video. And that'll be it for today. Thank you so much for sticking around. Bye.